Hello. I'm often getting messages these days, people asking me what I actually do from day to day. Quite a fair bit actually, and that's why I'm always whinging about being so busy. It's good problem to have, but it does keep me fairly occupied. So I thought I'd make a little video, take you through a normal day of what goes on in our world. So it's Monday, it's just after 10:30 AM. I've been working from home this morning, catching up on some emails, phone calls, texts. Monday mornings tend to be fairly hectic for that sort of thing. It seems to be that everyone spends the weekend and seems to get all excited by Monday morning about all the things that they would like to achieve in their flying world. So the first one started. We got to sleep in today. No, the first message about some training was just after 7 o'clock, and it tends to happen the first few hours of the day, most days, but even more so on Mondays. So I've now got to the airport. I'm at Maitland, which is where we do our maintenance, and I'm just about to pick up the float caravan. It's just come out of maintenance, and I'll take it over to Cessnock, where Kev is already underway with the next caravan school of the week. We've got 2 candidates over there from a couple of different companies, and they're doing a ground school at the moment for the wheel caravan. I'll then start doing their practical training on the machine, and then as of tomorrow afternoon, one of them is transitioning into the float caravan as well for some float training. So we better get out, call in and see the engineers, and go and fire up the float caravan. So welcome to Hun Aerospace. There's a Hun Aerospace van with a beaver on it, and this is where we do all of our maintenance. You can see 172 still sitting out there. You can see our neighbours over there. There's young Jet. Oh, look at him waving. What a good bloke. There's the float caravan I'm about to pick up. And at the moment in the hangar we have a forklift and Cessna 340. We've got a 182 in for a new panel. We've got Milo. We've got Tom. I'm vlogging, Tom. Good. How are you? Okay, so just had a bit of a meeting with Mick, our chief engineer, about some upcoming maintenance, and done a pre-flight on the caravan here, and we're ready to go. Oh, there's Jet again in his pets. As you can see, quite a bit higher up here than on the wheel caravan. So we'll fire it up and duck across to Cessnock.
Okie doke, we're just en route Maitland to Cessnock. You can see we've got the right fuel, left fuel lights coming on in a caravan. That's still a lot of fuel on board, and we're about to go across and get some fuel. What a lovely day we have here. So you can see there we've got about 350 pounds of fuel on board, which is exactly 1 hour's worth for this machine. So plenty for a 3 or 4 minute flight. And we've got the traffic, which is Jet still. Jet's been out traffic all morning in the pits. Out to our left there, we've got a Diamond, I can see in the circuit there, end on the wireless there, ahead of us at Cessnock. And I am going to put the camera down, because I haven't got it fixed to anything at the moment, so that we can join the circuit and land.
Welcome to Cessnock. We are ourselves parked up here at the fuel bowser. You can see refueling a float caravan, especially when it doesn't have pressure refueling. Well, this aeroplane does have pressure refueling, but the Bowser doesn't. We're a long way up, so it's an exercise in getting up on the wing there and finding ourselves a butler. There's one there to be able to hand us up a hose. Let's get stuck into it. So it's now 1 PM. I've just managed to get to breakfast. That tends to happen, especially of a Monday. And now I'm off for another coffee down at our coffee shop here before I start my flying for the day. Well, already ferried across, but that doesn't really count, before I start my flying training for the day. So let's go and caffeinate and then aviate. It's now night time. Did a couple of training flights in the caravan. We also had a bit of an issue with the leaky prop seal and the other caravan, so with the brand new prop. So we had to run that. It's kind of cool to see the the blades coming in out of feather, so I'll put a little video up I took of that as well. But I'm about to go and find one of my instructors, Liam, to give me a lift back to Maitland Airport to get my car, and then home time for paperwork. This is our entrance area. Pictures of aeroplanes on the wall. I'm vlogging. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Liam. Here's my desk.
Cover to your head as you walk around.
There's Kev's desk. What a great suggestion, Kev. And there's my lift home.
Oh.
Well, back where we started again. Thanks a lot for watching along. And yeah, that's what we get up to each day. We'll go home and do it all again tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.